Hello, everybody. We're on a road trip. Woo! Yeah. So we're going from Zionsville, Hilton Head, Island, California. Have Spencer. That's me. Luke. We have Jake.
15.3. The present perfect subjunctive. 1. Identificar. Listen to each sentence and decide whether you hear a verb in the present perfect indicative, the past perfect indicative, or the present perfect subjunctive.
Say your name. Sterling. Can you say your name? Well, we can't distract that'd be a sin. Okay.
2. No creo que hayan visto el museo arqueológico.
No, we're just gonna vlog the car ride because that's the best part.
Yeah.
It's all about sending a message.
The theme of today's vlog
Susana
is
me dijo que te había
railroad
invitado
tracks.
a acompañarnos.
That's the theme. In your opinion, Luke. Peace. That's a good answer. What do you have to say to this one, Luke?
Dudo que Andrés haya tomado drogas.
What does transportation mean to you?
Absolutely nothing.
That's
5. Siempre he vivido en Bolivia
great.
con mis padres.
Now, what does railroad tracks mean to you?
Safety.
That's great.
6.
It's being
Habías comprado la cámara de video antes del viaje,
is
¿no?
behind our car. It's really safe.
7.
Oh yeah.
Es bueno que hayamos ido al
Yeah, you
mercado
see it?
antes de la
That's
fiesta.
our luggage.
Camera you got there, Spencer. Where'd you buy it from?
Webcam. Mac webcam.
8.
It's a high quality camera.
Armando ha
Avery,
disfrutado de la música.
what is your
latina.
opinion on railroads?
They're pretty good.
That's great. What do they mean to you?
Well, I mean, at this kind of day and age, they're not as useful as they used to be, but back in the day, right? Back in my time.
Speak into the microphone. We need to get better audio quality. We need better audio quality. 8 hours into the trip to Hilton Head Island.
To California.
Yeah, and we have 5 more hours. Yeah.
We're on round 6 of the best of 13.
Before we go, Mr. Jeff Sterling, what is your opinion on railroad tracks?
Very dangerous. Always stop and look both ways.
Stop and look both ways. Okay.
Yes, I would love to participate. Okay.